Hello friends, I am Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I have a special festival recipe for you, that is Khara Kaddi. Come, let's start. Now let's start making the Khara Kaddis. So for making Khara Kaddis, I have taken 4 cups of besan. You can also take chana dal and powder it. So I have taken besan here. So I have taken 4 cups of besan. I will sieve it first. I have completely finished the sieving process. Now watch for all the ingredients that I am adding. So see how much quantity I will be taking. So here I will add rice flour. So rice flour will be giving taste and also crispiness. So I will add, for 4 cups of besan, I will add about 2 full tablespoons of rice flour. I am adding another special ingredient here. This is called palm sago starch, or in Konkani we call it indapit, or in Kannada we call it indudi. So this helps in giving more crispiness to the Khara Kaddis. So again I will add 2 tablespoons of palm sago starch. So this is optional because this is not available everywhere. So it's not a compulsory to add the palm sago starch. So if you get, you can add. So if you can find tapioca starch, even you can add the tapioca starch. I will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, asafoetida, 1.5 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. I will add ajwain. I will add some jeera. I will add about 1 teaspoon of jeera. Do not add more jeera as it will get stuck in between the molds. Finally, I will add about 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. So these are special Khara Kaddis, unlike the ones you get in the shops. Add salt. Let me mix all the ingredients. So I mixed all the ingredients well. Now I will knead this flour using butter and coconut milk. So first let me add melted butter. And here I have thick coconut milk, so I will add the coconut milk. I have taken about 250 ml of coconut milk. Again, coconut milk is optional here, because you can also do it with plain water. I have finished mixing the batter, so you can see it has become very smooth. Now we will put this in the mold and do the Khara Kaddis. So see, it is well mixed. If you feel it very sticky, you can apply some oil to your hand and then put it in the mold. I have taken the Khara Kaddi mold. Now I will apply a little bit of oil to the mold so that it is easy to press. I will put the batter inside the mold. perfectly done. Let's start making the khara kaddis. Just take one round and the khara kaddi is frying there. Let's turn over. You can see the bubbles have stopped, so it's time to take out the khara kaddi from the oil. Now let's make one more. This time my mom is making it as she makes really nice khara kaddis.